Hello to all my YouTube fans. How are you today? Well, thank you for tuning in today's vlog. If you're wondering what I'm doing today, well, we got an unboxing today of a brand new tool to help me to test data cables and coax cables. Cable line. Basically, I bought this down at Lowe's, and all this is a data slash video tester cable, and it's a very awesome tool to have. And we're going to look on the back as well. That's what it looks like. Got your different Allen connector style, and that's the front. And of course, it's also in this annoying type of packaging, and I'm going to unbox it for you. And let's go ahead and have a little fun and see what we can do with this new tool. Alright, we finally got it open. I didn't open it all the way, but let's have a bit more of a closer look at this package. There is your coax style cable. You can see. There's your data cable. It says Cat 3, Cat 5, or Cat 6 cable as well, and plus it has a 2-year warranty. Make sure you don't throw your package away. It's pretty unique. Well, let's open it. Let's get the accessories out of here. Of course, you get some cheap branded batteries, some very small Ethernet cables for testing purposes, basically. And you got your different type of connector here as well. And you got your F connector to Ethernet connector. Let's get the rest of this open and take a look at it. But you tend to want some instructions in there too, actually. Put the box off the side. And yes, we have the instruction manual. Sweet. First of all, we need to put batteries in the tester. Of course, I'm not going to use these generic branded style batteries. I'm going to put those off the side. I'm going to go ahead and put a couple nice Rayvac batteries in here. It takes AAA batteries. And we're going to need a small Phillips screwdriver to open the battery door. That's just a security thing. Take that out. You can pick these up down at Lowe's or any type of store if you need to test your cables and equipment as well. Okay, and the one thing you want to do is read your owner's manual and see how it works. Let's test it with a coax cable and Ethernet. Alright, so far I'm very impressed with this tool I bought down at Lowe's. And yes, it's just a tester. Let's get a little close-up shot for you can kind of see. Okay, there's all your different little LED lights. Your red and green. Your test button. You can see it flashes. This comes off. That's just a data port, Ethernet port. On this side, we got the same thing. Your data and also your video. We're going to be testing out the Ethernet wire and also the coax wire. You can see, this is so simple. Just take the end, plug it in here if you have it wired correctly, and plug the on end over here. What's this do? It says all 8 pins get, means it's receiving a signal from here to the on end of the unit itself. Now when you pull it out, you just use this test button to reset it, and it works perfectly fine with your data cable as well. And let's get on to the little guy, this coax style cable. Basically using this as a demonstration for you. Screw that side in now. Doesn't matter which side you screw in, does the exact same. And you plug the end over here. Hit the little test button. Means you wired it correctly. There you go. Alright, what do I mean about the proper tools to use for different things? This will come in handy when I'm doing data cable or a video cable for my TV and making my own cable line, like something like this. And this will work any which way if you choose to use it, but you would plug this end to whatever you have the on end connected to. But this works very good for the price, about $30. It's nice, like the ideal, and you can also use it with data line like this. Any type of wire this would actually work with. Cat 5, Cat E5, or even Cat 6. And also, do yourself a favor, if you buy one of these tools, make sure you leave everything together. Don't lose your connectors. And also, get some good quality batteries, and also read your owner's manual of this little unit. Alright, if you guys are going to this channel, please subscribe, but leave a comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. Bye guys and girls. Well, please see you in the future vlog. Bye from Chris.